Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will cover the origin of drama in English literature. The word drama comes from the Greek language. It means to act and perform. Classical Greece में drama origin हुआ था around 500 BC for religious ceremony and also to worship god Dionysus. Dionysus ये god है wine के, fertility, ritual, religion and festival के god है. Important Greek tragedians like Achilles, Sophocles, and Euripides are important Greek tragedians. Important comedian writers like Aristophanes and Menander. Oedipus Rex is considered as the important tragedy by Sophocles, and it is also considered as the famous Theban play. रोम में ड्रामा 364 BC में पहुंचा एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज फॉर रिलीजियस पर्पज़. ये कहा जाता है कि रोमन प्ले एंड ड्रामा का इट इज़ सेड दैट रोमन प्लेज एंड ड्रामा हैव ग्रेट इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन इंग्लिश ड्रामा. Comedian like Plautus and Terence and tragedian like Seneca are important. Around 55 BC, the first stone theatre built in Rome by Julius Caesar. Greek always favor to tragedies and Roman favors to comedian. In England, we see the arrival of drama in the form of liturgical drama. Liturgical drama is a form of drama जिसमें biblical events को दिखाया जाता है. ये फ्लरिश हुआ था 5th, 10th एंड 11th सेंचुरी में. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज फॉर रिलीजियस सेरेमनी के लिए यूज़ होता था और थीम ऑफ दिस ड्रामा इज़ ऑलवेज रिलीजियस. Language is Latin language and actors are priest, monk and clergyman. It is also spread in Europe, Russia and Italy. The first written liturgical drama is The Wise and Foolish Virgin. Then in 13th, 14th, 15th century, some changes took place in drama, like from religious theme, then secular theme is arrived. From Latin language, vernacular language is adopted. From the church actors, professional actor arrived and trade guilds also performed drama. First in 11th century ड्रामा चर्च में प्ले होता था. आफ्टरवर्ड इन 14th and 15th सेंचुरी ड्रामा प्ले होने लग गया चर्च यार्ड में, स्ट्रीट एंड मार्केट प्लेस में. Different form of play arrive like mystery play, miracle play and morality plays and interludes. First is mystery plays focus on Bible stories and biblical theme. Performed by craft guildmen. Some of example of mystery play, for example, Fall of Lucifer, Creation and the Fall of Man, Cain and Abel, Noah and Flood, the Nativity, the Passion, the Resurrection, the Last Judgment. These are important plays. Then the miracle play. Miracle play is also called as the saints play because these are based on the life of saints and martyrdom of saint. These are performed in the playing ground or sports ground. Some of example like Life of Thomas Becket, Saint Nicholas, the Conversation of the Saint Paul. These are important miracle play. At time plays are performed in a long cycle. पूरा प्ले एक साथ नहीं दिखाया जाता था, जबकि एक प्ले को टुकड़ों में दिखाया जाता था इन मंडे, ट्यूसडे और वेडनेसडे. तो some of important cycle like first is Chester cycle, it include 25 plays. York cycle, it include 48 plays. Wakefield, also called as Townley cycle, include 32 plays. And Townley cycle, also known as Hagge cycle and conventional cycle, it includes 42 plays. The second Safford is the best known from the Wakefield cycle. Morality play emerged around 1400 and flourished in early Elizabethan era. These are based on allegorical and personification of vice and virtue, like personification of knowledge, strength, truth, deed. Conflict between good and evil is shown in this play. Some of example of morality play like Castle of Perseverance, Everyman, Mankind and Wisdom. Everyman is very important morality play. The interludes arrived during late 15th century and early 16th century. Interlude is the short dramatic piece used for entertainment, and it is also farcical and moralistic in tone. Interlude contain witty dialogues. Important example of interlude play like 4 pp by John Haywood. The four speakers in this play are farmer, partner, apothecary and peddler. The Foolagan and Lucy Ray is also important comic interlude by Henry Madwell. फर्स्ट कॉमेडी एंड ट्रेजेडी इन इंग्लिश राल्फ रॉयस्टर डॉयस्टर ये 16th सेंचुरी का प्ले है. इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज द फर्स्ट कॉमेडी बाय निकोलस उदाल एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो अडेप्टेशन ऑफ प्लॉटस प्ले. निकोलस उडाल एक स्कूल मास्टर थे लंदन के. इन्होंने ये प्ले परफॉर्म करवाया था बाय हिज स्कूल चिल्ड्रन स्पेशली स्कूल बॉय. दिस कॉमेडी कंटेन 5 acts. Then Gorbeck. Gorbeck is also called the Tragedy of Gorbeck. It is written by Thomas Norton and Thomas Sackville. Its subtitle is Ferex and Porrex. It is considered as the first. Gorbeck is called first tragedy in a form of verse drama written in a blank verse. ये परफॉर्म किया गया था at a Christmas celebration. The first 3 acts is written by Norton and the final 2 acts is written by Sackville. In Gorbeck, we see the characters are speaking in a rhyme verse. So this form of dramatic become very famous in Elizabethan and Jacobean dramatic form. Curtain Needle is acted at Cambridge in 1566 and it is a domestic comedy. Its writer is unknown. In domestic comedy, we see the element of farcical element that is contrast with local domestic scenario and it is model on Latin comedy.